Today, I will show both of you stages that will assist us with bringing in cash. They will help reliantly. What's the significance here? You ask. It is when two substances or stages rely upon one another to capacity and produce results. Indeed, that is somewhat significant to it. Be that as it may, my point is today I am going to show both of you stages that will cooperate for us to bring in cash. It is only a basic 3-venture process, I swear. Step 1 is the point at which you download a picture here on this stage. Step 2 is transferring the set picture here on this stage. Step 3 is for you bring in cash from it. Envision bringing in cash just by transferring specific pictures at this stage here. Also that this stage is wide open and accessible around the world. Anybody from around the world can do this technique. In any case, on the off chance that you have a cell phone or a PC, it will all work on both. This strategy, assuming done right, will be a day-to-day existence transformer. This can reduce the monetary weight that you have in your life at present. You can take care of bills on schedule, invest energy with your family more since you won't be working all day, every day. But how you will not be requiring a particular ability for this. You will not be requiring a major online entertainment following or commitment. You will not be selling anything by some token. You should simply follow the means that I'll show you in this video. Remember to tap on the warning ringer so at whatever point we transfer another video on the most proficient method to bring in cash. On the web, you will be refreshed and you can begin getting things going. Additionally, if it's not too much trouble, offer this video a major go ahead. And if at any point you have worries, questions, or feelings about the video, try not to be timid and simply leave a remark down beneath. Now let's get back to the video. To start, let's just go to upload.io. This is a platform that will pay you by sharing your files on their website, and once a client downloads the uploaded file, you will get paid. Not just once, but until the end of the time. Literally how? Because once you upload a file on this platform, your file will be there forever. You will make money every time it is downloaded forever. You want proof that this method is legit? Let's go here to payment proofs to see all the happy users who can benefit from this platform. As you can see here, these are the payments proofs of this platform. Not yet convinced? Well, it's going to convince you. Once you will be the one who will make money using this method. By the way, this is still the first platform that I am showing you. I will be providing you with another platform where you will download all the needed files to upload on this website and make money. I also forgot to mention that this method is available on all types of devices on your mobile phone or smartphone. You can download this application for free, so the more reasons to try out this really easy method. To produce, we are going to sign up for this platform and I will show you how to do that. Let's just click on here and sign up. After clicking that, you will be redirected user registration form where you will provide them with the needed information. For the successful registration like your username, email, password, and payment information. Now this platform can pay you in many different methods. So here you just need to choose your preferred method of payment. After that, tick this box is right here to declare that you're not a robot trying to subscribe to their platform, but an actual human being just trying to make money. With all of that, just click on this button to finalize your registration. Now assuming that you have your account, you will have your very own dashboard. On your dashboard, you will click this button to select and start uploading your files. The files which you think can make you money in the long run. I mean, you will get paid to upload an unlimited numbers of files for people to download for more chances of earnings, right in line with files to upload. I will be introducing you to a platform that will give us free files to upload. You may have heard about this platform in some of my previous videos. Because as you all know, this platform has been reliable ever since I can remember, and that platform is pixabay.com. Before we proceed to explain what this platform does, let me remind you that this method can be done by a mobile device or smartphone. Also with that, just make sure to download the correct app, so you will be able to start making money online immediately. Now Pixabay is a platform that gives out free quality files. They have over 1 million royalty-free photos, illustrations, vector graphics, and thousands of free video clips. All images and footages on Pixabay are released under Creative Commons, meaning this can be accessed by anyone and it is free for all. So that is the concept of this method. We will download files from Pixabay and upload them on upload.io, and that is going to make us a lot of money for a long time. But for us to truly make money, I'm going to show you the basic steps on how you can upload to earn money. Now I am on a Pixabay and let's search for this keyword or any keyword in line with your preferences. Then when we find the image that we want to share and upload to the first platform, we will just download it by clicking on this button. But to make sure that people will buy your files, you must select or choose high quality photos to spark the interest of your target market. After you download your chosen image or images, you can go back to the first platform and upload them there. Here's how you just click this button and then select the downloaded photos, easy as that. This is as simple as it gets. You just select photos that you think people will download, upload it on upload.io and then make money online. Amazing! Overall, this is a great method to be utilized by anyone. As you can see, it's totally easy and anyone can do it. Just make sure to follow the steps that I have been highlighting throughout the video and that's it. This is Money Girl. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button and I'll see you in the next video.